Assalamu alaikum. I am Zain Sultana. Today our topic is Advanced Encryption Standard Key Expansion. Now let's talk about it. First, there will given a round key and we have to find out the next round key. Now let's talk about the process. We need AES Xbox and Archon table for the key expansion. Here is this table. Now first we have to find the first column of our one round key that have some rules that we must have a previous round key, and the last column of given key will be taken and the first value of the column will shift it with last value. Next, this value is the index number of Xbox of OEX. From this index number we can find out the value. Then we need first column of our zero round box or our given table. Depends on expected round key, we need to find column from Archon table. And we have a formula that the value will be XOR with the first column of given round key table and again XOR with the column from Archon table. Let's be more clear. We can see from our given table that we have a zero round key table. From this, we need the last column. Here, we have the last column, which is 8596 B0 C5. After that, we have to shift our first value 85 with the last value, and we shifted it in the last. Then we need to find the value from S box of AES. From the S box, we can find our value, that is 90, E7, A6, and 97. Then we have an XOR operation with the first value of our given box, which is E1, 83, 5C, F0. This is the first column of the given box or given round key. Then we have to XOR from our Archon table. That means we have to say it, we find out the first round key and we have given the zero round key. As we say, the first round key, that means from Archon table we can see that for the first round key, that means 1, it is 01000000. So here it is 010000 and 00. From this Archon table we find that. Then after the XOR operation we can find the first column of our one line key, which is 7B64FA67. This was the rules of finding the first column of first round key. Now let's talk about how can we find the second, third, and fourth column of our first round key. It's very easy. We have the first column of one round key and we need to XOR the second column of zero round key or the given round key. Second and third column as like before. We need, if we want to find out second column, then we need second column of one round key box and third row of zero round key box. If we want to find the fourth column of one round key, we need third column of one round key box and need to XOR with the fourth row of zero round key box. Here is our mathematical representation. For the second column, we have take the first column of one round key and we XOR with the second column of 0 round key. Then the result is 7B 64 FA 67. For third column is as before, second column of one round key and XOR with the third column of 0 round key. The result is 1A7C 51 E7. This is the third column of one round key. And for the fourth column of one round key, we need the third column of one round key and we have to XOR with the fourth column of 0 round key. Then we can get 9F, E, A, E1 and 22 as the fourth column of one round key. Here is our final result from 0 round key to 1 round key. Now let's talk about the code. How will it implemented? First, we can see that there is icon table and OX is nothing but hexadecimal representation. Then we have given the X box which is available in our books. It is take from the internet also. Then we can define a hexadecimal array. After that, we expansion key function. There is, it is the number of row which is 4 and we can find the column by dividing the length of key divided by our row number. And the n rounds can be counted as our number of column plus 6. Then we can find the n rounds. Then we have to create initially round key like W0, W1, W2 or W3. We can run a for loop in an array. It will create 4 number, iterate 4 number. It will continue till length of key. After that, we have to generate W4 to the last, 0 to 43. We'll start from the fourth number of column and the formula is 4 into n rounds plus 1. Then last round key will be the I minus 1. I is the last column. Then we will divide I with number of column. If remainder is 0, then we are in a new round. After that, if we are in a new round, then we have to do left circular shift. Every value stored in temp. Exchange with AES box value. Throw for loop. First column, first value of icon table will be have XOR operation with column. Then we will take temporary variable round key. Run a for loop. Current key and previous sub key will have a XOR operation. New round key will be added with round key. New sub key will be added. After finishing loop, we will return round key. Take input hexadecimal string. A for loop will run. It will take two characters of hexadecimal and append in array. It will return an array. Key is a string converted in array with a function. It will expand it key. Then we will print it as hexadecimal format. We will at last find expanded key. And here is our result. Our all expanded key is here. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you for watching.